How to add a game to Steam library. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from AppsTechAcademy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a game to your Steam library using your PC or your laptop. First of all, launch open the Steam application on your computer or laptops and log into your account. From the home page of Steam, go ahead and browse through the games that you want to add to your library. After you find one of the games, you'll end up in the game info section. In order to get the game to your library, if the game is not free, you'll need to purchase it. Go ahead and click on Add to Cart and follow through the purchase process. Once you purchase the game will be saved in your library. If you want to go ahead and find some free games that you can add to your library, go to the library button at the top of the screen and click on Free to Play Games. Under Free to Play Games, go ahead and find the game you'd like to play for free. After clicking open one of the games, from the game info section, scroll down and click on Add to Library. Now, click on OK in the pop-up, and if you head back to your library, you'll be able to see the selected game. You can keep adding more games in your library with the same method. So that is how you easily add a game to your library on Steam. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.